Hey everyone, I just did a knit crate box opening, so I'm kind of wearing the same thing. So I thought I'd open up a couple packages that I got from Alli Express and Beadaholic. So let's start with Beadaholic. And I believe this is my chain that I'm trying to finish a bracelet, making a bracelet. I just didn't have enough of the chain to make the bracelet. It's like an emerald something. I can't remember what they called it. I hope I got enough. I ordered enough this time. I hope. So, maybe. Oh, I think I got enough. So I ordered this. And it's called, I can't remember the name of it. Emerald Onyx something chain. And it goes on a bracelet I'm making. I'm taking 3 inches 4 times and putting jump rings on them and putting it across your wrist with the part at the bottom of the bracelet. And this is just going to be the top. So I'm hoping I can get that finished hopefully this weekend. So there's that. And then I got this from Alli Express. Here. And I don't remember the store. It says Joe Wing on it. I don't know. So let's open it up. So I had ordered some keychains, I believe they are. Yep. Let's see what they come with. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and they're diamond painting keychains. You put them down right here. You can see that. I thought these colors were really pretty. I like this style. Let me put you closer here. Anyway, so I don't know if it's any closer. I like the style, so I really thought these would be easy. They have a little plastic glue coating on top. And then after I'm done with them, I will put something to cover it. They come with keychains, you know, to hook your thing. Here's like a big lobster type clasp thing, and the chains. Let's see what else it comes with. All right, so you get your green boat here, your placer here, 1 placer, and your wax. Typical toolkit there that you get. And then the drills. Let's see here. If you don't like the sound, just mute it. Okay, run across these real quick and I'll show you what there is. Looks like some teardrops. I like these ones right here. More. There's more. Oh, I like these too. These ones here. So these are what I have here. And I will hopefully get started on these soon. I hope you can see all that. And yeah. I will get off here and load the video up for this because I've done 2 videos and I'm running out of time here. I think I've only let this run so far at almost 8 minutes so far. But I absolutely love these colors. I mean, oh, especially this one here. Isn't that pretty? But I wasn't going to go through all the numbers. I just wanted to show you the drills. All right, everyone. Okay, so I'm going to get off here again. You all take care now. I hope you guys have a great day or evening or wherever you're at. Many blessings. Bye.